silver and gold, bitch. I'm just fucking gold, bitch. Get into that. Oh, you caught me. Yes, if you don't know me, my name is Melissa Rich Brown. Yes, God, I will read you from east to west. You think you're cute, but you're not. Miss Pope, what are you doing having secret meetings with Kim Davis? There must have been an interpreter there because you can't even speak English. And you're talking about gay marriages? Why didn't Melissa get a meeting with the Pope? That's what I want to know. I want to know what the hell they talked about. The Pope can't even understand English. She had an interpreter with him. Pope, go back overseas. We don't need you, Miss Thing, wearing all these gowns and stuff. Talking about gay marriage? It's a Catholic faith. Aren't you gay? Aren't all these popes gay? Playing with all these boys and stuff. And then when they get caught, they send them to Mexico. It's just a place of just dirty, cocksucking priests. Just hide your little boys. Don't send them to church. Sit at home and pray with your kids. As these priests, they're sucking dick. You know those confessionals, they just remind me of glory holes. But that's my opinion on the whole situation, and I don't even give a fuck.